Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to choose color for paint bucket tool. Let's begin. Open any image. Okay, then select paint bucket tool. Now see this foreground color or pattern. Use pattern. Use click then use pattern. Press Ctrl Z or remove one click on back and use foreground. Click select foreground color, use this example red color and use foreground color and again press hold Ctrl Alt Z. See this disclose behind clear. I use clear, then remove this color, tolerance 32. Now right now we can see this choose color for paint bucket tool. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.